Hey, bread lovers! Bread quick question. What's the best part of homemade bread for you? Is it the fresh smell filling your kitchen, or the warm, soft texture straight out of the oven? Thinking face if you've ever wished you could have fresh, bakery-quality bread without the hassle. Then this video is just for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best bread makers of 2025. From compact machines perfect for small kitchens to powerful, large-capacity models that can handle all your baking needs. Whether you're a newbie to bread making or a seasoned pro, we've got the right pick for you. Stay tuned as we explore these amazing bread makers and help you find the perfect one to create your dream loaf at home. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's get baking. This 2.2 lb larger bread maker machine is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to make baking at home easier, more efficient, and more delicious. With a generous 2.2-pound capacity, it's ideal for making bigger loaves for the whole family. The machine features dual heaters, which provide even heat distribution from both the top and bottom, ensuring perfectly baked bread every time. It offers 17-in-1 functions, giving you a wide range of options to create everything from classic white bread to gluten-free, sourdough, and even sweet loaves. The die-cast ceramic pan enhances heat conduction and is non-stick, making both baking and cleanup effortless. A built-in auto fruit and nut dispenser automatically adds your extra ingredients at just the right moment during baking for optimal taste and texture. The full stainless steel exterior not only adds durability, but also gives the bread maker a sleek, modern look. Plus, it includes a 15-hour delay timer so you can set it in advance and wake up or come home to the smell of freshly baked bread, while the keep warm function ensures your loaf stays warm and ready to serve. Whether you're a beginner or a bread-making pro, this bread machine is designed to elevate your baking experience right from your kitchen countertop. This advanced bread-making machine is a powerful and versatile appliance designed to bring the joy of fresh, homemade bread right into your kitchen. With the ability to bake loaves up to 3 pounds, it's perfect for larger families or anyone who loves baking in bigger batches. What makes it truly stand out is its 20-in-1 functionality, offering a wide variety of baking modes, so you can easily prepare everything from basic white bread and whole wheat to cake, jam, and even gluten-free options. It operates ultra quietly, making it ideal for early morning or late night use without disturbing your household. With 710 watts of power and dual heating elements, it ensures even and efficient baking from top to bottom. The die-cast ceramic baking pan provides superior heat distribution and easy cleaning, while the stainless steel exterior adds both durability and a sleek, modern look to your kitchen. It also includes an automatic fruit and nut dispenser that adds ingredients at just the right time for perfect texture and flavor. For even more flexibility, it comes with 2 customizable menu settings and extra kneading paddles for added convenience. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a beginner, this bread maker offers everything you need to create delicious, bakery-quality bread at home with minimal effort. This 2 lb bread machine is a compact yet powerful appliance designed to bring the full experience of a bakery right into your home. Truly a kitchen in a box. With a 12-in-1 functionality, it offers a wide range of baking options, allowing you to make everything from basic white bread to sweet loaves and even gluten-free recipes, catering perfectly to different dietary needs. It can bake loaves up to 2 pounds and gives you the flexibility to choose between 2 loaf sizes, depending on your preference or family size. One standout feature is the automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which ensures that extra ingredients are added at the perfect moment during the baking process for the best texture and flavor. The non-stick baking pan makes it easy to remove the finished loaf and simplifies cleanup. It also includes a 13-hour delay timer, so you can schedule fresh bread to be ready exactly when you want it, and a 1-hour keep warm function to ensure your bread stays warm and fresh until you're ready to serve. Finished in a clean white color, this bread maker blends seamlessly into any kitchen. With its versatility and user-friendly design, it's a perfect choice for anyone looking to enjoy fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. The 19-in-1 Programmable Bread Maker Machine is a versatile appliance designed to bring the art of baking fresh, homemade bread right into your kitchen. With 19 different baking functions, it allows you to make a wide variety of breads, from classic white to whole wheat, gluten-free, and even jam and cake. You can choose between 3 loaf sizes and crust colors, giving you complete control over how your bread turns out. Whether you prefer a light, medium, or dark crust, this machine delivers perfect results every time. The 15-hour delay timer lets you set the machine in advance, so you can wake up or come home to the delicious smell of freshly baked bread. It also features a 1-hour keep warm function to ensure your bread stays fresh and ready to serve. The non-stick ceramic pan makes both baking and cleanup a breeze, while the machine's programmable settings take the guesswork out of baking. Plus, it even comes with a recipe book, so you can explore new recipes and make the most of its features. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, this bread maker is designed to provide convenience, flexibility, and consistent results every time. The Cuisinart CBK 110 NAS Bread Maker Machine is a compact and fully automatic kitchen appliance designed for anyone who loves the taste and aroma of freshly baked bread at home. Known for their quality, Cuisinart delivers a smart, space-saving design that fits easily on most countertops, making it ideal even for smaller kitchens. This bread maker handles the entire process for you, from mixing and kneading to rising and baking, so you can enjoy homemade bread without the hassle. With customizable settings, you can choose from different bread types, crust colors, and loaf sizes to match your personal preferences. It can bake loaves up to 2 pounds, making it perfect for both small households and families. Whether you're making classic white bread, whole wheat, or a specialty loaf, the Cuisinart CBK 110 NAS takes the guesswork out of baking and delivers consistent, delicious results every time. This is the perfect appliance for anyone who wants fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. So there you have it, 5 amazing bread makers to take your baking game to the next level in 2025. Whether you're looking for something compact, a larger capacity for the whole family, or a versatile machine that handles everything from gluten-free loaves to sweet treats, there's a perfect fit for every baker. Baguette bread sparkles, all of these bread makers make baking easy, fun, and most importantly, delicious. From customizable settings and advanced features like fruit dispensers to sleek designs that fit perfectly in any kitchen, you really can't go wrong with any of these options. So, which one do you think is the perfect match for your kitchen? Drop a comment below and let me know which bread maker you'd love to try out. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome reviews. Happy baking, everyone! See you next time!